Start now. And hi everyone, this is Sai Panindra from SQL School. For 2 decades, almost over 2 decades, I have been into data stack, data platform. And I just wanted to guide you on how to become a data analyst. What exactly data analyst mean? What we do as a data analyst. Let's get started. Let's understand what we need to learn to become a data analyst step by step. Let's get started slowly. And here we go. In my classes, I'll assure you practical step-by-step activities with complete notes, assignments, project work for your resume. Let's get started now. As a data analyst, we are involved in the data representation or how we broadcast the data. There are different formats of data like apps, IoT we call Internet of Things, web pages, websites, forms, etc. From various forms, we usually capture the data into databases. From databases comes ETL and warehouse activities. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. ETL, extract data from various sources, transform and load to warehouse. As a data analyst, we need to visualize that particular data. In simple words, it's all about reporting and visualization activities. Now, how to become a data analyst? What are the job roles? Here it is on my screen. To get into data analyst job role, we need to start with SQL first. Why? Because databases, the yellow box, any one SQL we need to master. Master in any one of these SQL items, maybe Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, any one. We need to master in SQL, then step into Power BI or any other analytical platform like Tableau. But Power BI has more demand, more trending job openings in the market right now, comparatively. So SQL, then Power BI, and of course we need Python because in few cases, Power BI alone will not work. Power BI may not give us complete customer requirement specifications, or it may not be able to meet the demands of the customer every time. To customize Power BI interface, to customize the Power BI and its handling of data, we need Python help. So we need Python plus Power BI plus SQL. These three are important items. As a data analyst, we will be involved in extraction of data from various sources. Here, various sources mean files, database, warehouse, big data cloud, or it can be from apps and websites also. We implement SQL on various database sources to filter the data. Finally, analyze structured and unstructured data, visualize the data, create dashboards, alerts, and advanced analytics using Python. Remember, regular data analysis, we have Power BI. For advanced level analysis, we need Python. We also have something called matplot libraries. They are built-in libraries in Python with AI analytics. With all this content, In our course, we also have Excel analytics and data plot operations. What is it? Excel analytics and data plot operations. These are all the technical terms we are going to learn in our classes. Let me recap again. To step into data analysis, we need SQL. Why? To read data from various databases. And we also need Power BI and Python. For this purpose, we have various job roles, right from data extraction, data involvement, structured, unstructured data, visualizations, dashboards, etc. From here comes the next step. Who can become a data analyst? Starters are non-IT and IT professionals, and anyone. Yes, anyone, everyone, I can make you a true, complete data analyst with my classes, my step-by-step training classes. In my classes, I can make you a certified data analyst. How? Here is a roadmap. To become a data analyst, a perfect, complete roadmap on my screen. I will be teaching you module 1, the MS SQL concepts. This MS SQL concepts will be having, just wait for a few moments on my screen now. The MS SQL concepts will be having, here it is, about 400 queries on how to work with various types of data and various sizes of data, small and big data. Once we read data from these data sources, then comes Power BI. Power BI is used for the purpose of analytics, dashboarding activities. We perform live as well as historical dashboarding activities using Power BI, a vast technology. In Power BI, we have 150 plus action items. 400 queries first module, 150 plus items second module, then third module Python analytics. Here we have more than 100 examples on Python towards analytic activities. You can ask me, Sai, like I'm a bit scared about programming. No problem. Python analytics is one of the easiest item we can master. Trust me. We are not a programmer. We are not a developer. Still, we can easily master Python with my careful, cautious step-by-step activities. And then comes module 4, an optional add-on, recommended add-on, data analytics with AI and Copilot. As you know, today, nowadays, every resume needs AI. Every technology needs a kind of Copilot and other Microsoft and non-Microsoft AI implementations. In our data analyst classes, we have those items as well. We'll do it slowly, step by step. So module 1, MS SQL. Module 2, Power BI. 3, Python analytics. And 4, data analytics with AI Copilot. Once we have these 4 different modules, then comes our actual project work for our resume. We will be doing one nice real-time project to set the expectations for the interviewer in our resume. If your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, then my course has an answer for you. If your interviewer asks you like what are the tools you involved in the project, what are the techniques, what is the process you followed for the project, my course has an answer for you guys. I will be making sure you value every minute of your investment of time. You'll value it with my step-by-step classes, but I need your practice, on-time practice required throughout the course. So here are the four important items: SQL, Power BI, Python, AI Copilot. These four important technologies will master you, can make you a data analyst with my step-by-step activities. Over to you now. Questions, clarifications, please. I'll stay back now. Yes, anyone, any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. I'll stay back. Please let me know. I'll wait now.
Hey,